Okay, I'll try to stay away from the microphone because I notice in my videos I'm breathing like... No, I don't smoke or anything. I have nothing against people that smoke, but I sound like I got fucking emphysema because I'm putting my mouth straight to the microphone because I'm afraid you can't hear me. So I'm gonna be back away from the microphone a little bit, see how that sounds. It may not sound good, I don't know. Anyway, I was in the back cleaning up a little bit, and I noticed I got billions and billions and billions of piles of parts. This is not, I'm not trying to brag or nothing. This is called I spend too much money on plastic. So I was thinking to myself, I wanted to do some sort of custom crossing different toy companies or whatever. I got a big ass chicken here checking shit out, and I got a couple, one custom, one Batman for reference and one Skeletor for reference. But this is a Skeletor right here. I'll put them together real quick. I like to say by the way, because I'm fucking stupid. So here's his. This is an Origins. This is a Skeletor Origins. I used his head for my custom Skeletor I should probably have out here, but I don't for some reason. But it's the red Hell God, whatever, I made. So this is an Origins Skeletor. These went on like clearance for like $4 at Walmart, and I bought like 6 of them, or 4 of them, or 5 of them. I don't know, whatever it may be. So let's do this. I'm gonna put this bitch back together. He's been in my bin, my back bin for a long time, man. I love this Skeletor, by the way. I don't know if I should mess it up or not. You tell me. But we're gonna talk about it here for a minute, just to see. They're really good figures to customize. They're really awesome. I should probably look online and see if I can get a few more. But I don't know. And the funny thing is, I don't even have a Origin Skeletor out. Except, well, I don't have an Origin Skeletor. I've got a He-Man out. I don't even have I have the Masterverse Skeletor out on display, but I don't have, look at that, broke. I don't have a Skeletor out on. I don't, my lighting's not the best because this is a quick video, so we'll see how this goes. I don't have the best lighting. This probably, but then again, this probably looks better than all my videos. I got a cheap ass bulb to the right, and I got a little tiny light ring to the left on top, and just natural light from my basement. Anyway, that looks pretty cool, but I don't know. I don't know. Here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking this. I know this is going to be stupid. I know this is going to be silly, but I don't know. I'm never going to use this head sculpt again. This is the head sculpt of the Batman body I used for my Punisher, which I should have brought that out too in reference, but I don't do that either. I don't like showing you guys stuff I do for some reason. I seem to keep it in the cabinet. When I make it a damn video, you think I'd bring my shit out. But anyway, I don't plan on making this too long. So I'm thinking, I have to get a cape. I haven't done any cloth capes. I don't particularly like a cloth cape, but I think I may have to make a cloth cape on this. The closest thing I had to a cloth cape was this. It's cool. My daughter picked this up for me. I said I need a yellow cape, and she got me this, and it worked out well. This is one of my second or third customs or fourth customs I did, because I got this Batman from that cheap line, Funko line that came and went really quick, the Batman, and I thought I gotta have a Robin, so I made this Robin out of the Origins, opposite of this Skeletor Origins He-Man. This is He-Man Origins. I just painted him up look like Robin. Now you're probably wondering why. Now this is one of my favorite Skeletors. One of my favorite. Super 7 here. I believe it is, or I think so, yeah. Correct me if I'm wrong. This has been out quite some time. This is a nice figure. Put that down for a second. Now, that's an awesome head sculpt, I think. That is a really great head sculpt on this. This is probably one of my favorite Skeletors right here. I know I'm getting off topic here, but I don't know, man. This is a great Skeletor. Let's put him back up over here. Let him hang out over there so he can get, do whatever he wants to do. Let's hang. I was trying to do some reference here. What would look cool? What wouldn't look cool? Let's leave. So his Havoc staff just had enough, and just Havoc fell down. Okay, let's get back to this now. try to picture this, okay? Help me out, maybe help me out. I'm going to make his hands, I'm going to make this into gloves. Somehow maybe get some multi-put or something. Real thin, very subtle. Very subtle. Make this into gloves. I got the thing back here. Instead of having 3, I'm going to keep 2. And maybe put a line, maybe put a line up here or something, or somehow separate this arm with these little, whatever hell they are, to make it look like a bat glove. The only problem I have is I think I have to pick up his head because it fell off, but I don't know about his feet. I'm not sure what to do with his feet. I don't know if I should leave him this way. You know, it would be. Let me reach down and get his head. To save some money and be cheap right here, right now, that kind of looks like a bat foot. Is that like bat or some bullshit? I mean, would that work? And I'd have to really go in here and separate all this detail in here and do something with it. But my plan is to have this on here. I got to fix it somehow better. I'll fix it up somehow. For right now, for the sake of the video, I'll just keep it loose. I'm going to put a big cloth wired cape. I'm going to try to. I haven't yet. I've seen enough tutorials on YouTube to figure it out maybe. And get kind of a floating, rip-off spawn type of cape of some sorts. Or if I can find a rubber cape somewhere or something. Depends what I got in the back room. I don't know. I'm thinking of doing his body in gray, of course, light gray. Maybe a little darker than this. Maybe. I don't know. I mean, traditional blue. Kind of these colors, if you know what I mean. On here. But for here, the bones, I'm not 100% sure yet. Yellow and black maybe, or just yellow. I'm not sure about what the bones or nothing. Maybe you guys can help me out. But there's the bat right there. There's the bat symbol right there. It's already on there. How cool is that? And with this head sculpt, I think it works. When I put a floating cape on here, maybe Dremel down this neck a little bit, put this on there, you know, I think it fits. I think it works. I know the head looks a little small here on camera, but with a floating cape, I know I can hide some of that awkwardness on the, at least the side view. See the side view? Maybe it's a little too thick. Maybe I really don't want to shave down the neck because I don't want to mess up the sculpt. Or maybe I can, I don't know. That looks pretty good straight on. See, look. Now straight on with a big cape. Just imagine that. Straight on with a big cape. I think it'll work. I can hide some of this bulkiness, make a flowing cape. I don't know, but it would have to go that way. Now, like I said, here's the bat. That would be black, right? All this would be yellow. Black, maybe bones here with the bones. Black buttons maybe, or this could be black. Only the harness of his chest could be yellow. Bone color, maybe? I don't know. Black or bones. Maybe the bone should be a bone color. The middle, maybe, I don't know, whatever color. I don't know. This majority of this, let's take it off. Majority of this would be yellow and black. With some other colors. I don't want to go too far away from being, this has got to be simple. I don't want this to be hard and very like mix match 1,000 colors. I want this to be very plain and simple so it stands out and pops. I would have to do his cowl and everything. Oops. I have to do his cowl and his chin piece in blue. I think I'm going to do it. I like this head sculpt. It matches this sort of, maybe it matches this sort of thing, you know. And you know me and I love So I don't know. I think I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about it. And I know I'm skipping around on projects. I wanted to do the Orko He-Man next, the one I talked about 7 months ago. It makes it feel like 7 months, like a few months ago. But I got so many parts back there in the back, man. I got so many parts and shit. So I'm thinking with the future state, where I could use this. I don't know. Let's check this out. Let me show you. I won't make this much longer. So this came with one of the This came with somebody. Hell, I don't know. I think Future State Superman, or I don't know who it came with. It doesn't matter. This could be his hanging out here, holding this thing, you know, hanging it down here, you know. I don't know. Or you can hold this one. I got to paint this up. This looks horrible. This came with the Future State Superman. This is Future State, future something Superman. You know, the Conan Barbarian Superman, the head sculpt I use for the Punisher. It doesn't matter. This looks pretty cool. And there's my favorite word. I'm tired of this axe. I'm tired of it. I don't think I'm going to use it. This is for something else down the road. I don't know. I'll give it to Robin over here. He's got one on his back, see? Tired of using it. That's a smaller version. Anyway. I think the only thing... shit. The only thing that's bothering me about this whole thing, maybe, is the feet. I think the feet should look like this. I don't know what I'm going to do there. I don't know if I should just buy another He-Man cut. I could pull these off, see? Look. I can pull these off. I can buy another He-Man. I can pull those off and just swapped. I'm not going to take this apart. I'm done with this one. When I'm done, I'm done. I'm not going to take... I know a lot of people like to do... I don't like to do that. I keep my shit together. It is what it is. This is like what happened. This is like the past, you know. It's going to stay there. I'm leaving. I don't take my shit back apart. If you do, that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. That's just me. I'm weird. I hoard everything. So these do come apart. I could probably pick up another He-Man on Amazon for $12 or $13 or something. I do have a He-Man Origins in my box, in my giant box of bin that I buy plastic and put it in a bin for some reason where you can't see them, and then just keep them in box for some stupid reason. So when I die, my wife can make millions of dollars and I can just, you know, be dead. But anyway, I think, what do you guys think of those feet? Is that something different? I think that'd be cool with a Batman. That'd be cool. I think that might match. Also, I'm saving $12. But now, before I go, I know it's been kind of long. I don't like long videos. I don't want to bore you guys, but that peg's in there. I'm not going to try to pull it out. But what do you think? What do you think of a pissed off Bruce Wayne? This is the retarded Superman from the Superman heavy metal wave. The stupid ass Superman with Down syndrome. There's nothing wrong with Down syndrome. I have Down syndrome. At least I think I do. But this head might be better. I don't know if I should pop. Well, you get the idea. Make a mad ass Bruce Wayne. What do you think of that? What do you think of that? You know what? I changed my mind. Audio is going to sound like shit because I'm using my camera right now. But you know what? This needs to be repainted. I know I'm going silly with the repaints. I know what you're saying. This needs to be repainted. This had to have red boots. These shackles, chains, add some change silver or black. You know, whatever. But I think you can make one badass, mean-ass Superman. Look at this. Look at this. Put him on a flight stand. Look at this. Look at this. That could be one mean-ass Superman. Yup. That's more like it. Mean-ass Superman. I'm doing it. I got to utilize the stuff I got back there. How badass would that be? He doesn't look as stupid as he did on the original, his original body. I like that, man. Okay, we're going with that. We may just go with this one instead and put it in front of that one. I don't know. What do you guys think? It's head swap time. Falling to pieces, baby. Look at that. That does look pretty cool.